Without civil engineering, civil society as we know it simply wouldn't exist. The work we do as civil engineers helps to protect homes from flooding, keeps roads open, bridges gaps between places and communities, and helps the economy to grow. Each day, almost 1,000 people go out to work on Jackson projects. We're on a mission to measure the impact that our projects have on the communities where they're built and to recognise how we change lives for the better.
We're working on the Toaster Grange housing development just opposite Toaster Racecourse. We're building the main roundabout coming off the A5 and the spine roads that are going to feed the housing development. This job is going to have a massive impact on the area. It's going to enable 2,715 homes to be built, helping the local community prosper.
We are working on the Tallway Flood Alleviation Scheme, building a 300 metre long flood embankment out of clay with a reinforced concrete inlet structure. This project will have a big impact on the local community because it will protect 400 houses from flooding. If we did not do this project, we could have a repeat of the floods 10 years ago where the flood waters rose 4 foot into people's houses.
We are working at the Port of Dover. We're installing gangways and staircases to improve the access to the berths. This project will have a huge impact on the port as we'll be improving the safety for the mooring parties and also improving docking time for over 12,000 ferry movements each year.
Jacksons are here planing out and relaying the surfacing on the A505 and the A10 at 6 locations in Cambridgeshire. Under full nighttime closures, we will have planed out 10,000 tonnes of material and relayed 68,000 square metres of surface course. The impact it has on the community is the reduction in potholes and bad joints, clear, nice new white lines, nice smooth running surface that will be a lot quieter than it used to be. If we didn't do this scheme, the potholes will get worse, there'll be a lot more maintenance that would normally take place during the daytime, causing more traffic jams, damage to cars and just chaos.
Jackson's here in Newark. We're constructing approximately 1 kilometre of new road to adoptable Section 38 standards. So this project includes road construction, footway construction and the installation of all utilities, gas, electric, water and comms ducting. For the construction of the road we are utilising the recycling of about 1,800 tonnes of old coal tar planings which we're recycling into the base course material. This project is having a huge impact because it's opening the way for the development of approximately 3,000 new homes in Newark. We're constructing the spine road for the first parcel of land for the construction of approximately 600 houses.
We are working on the A602 junction improvement scheme between Stevenage and Ware. This involves a widening of the A602 and the installation of 2 number signalised junctions. This project will have a huge impact on the local community because it will relieve congestion on the A602. By undertaking these works, it is hoped that we will be able to reduce the number of accidents at Westmill Bends.
Here at Newhaven, Jacksons have been contracted to construct an £8 million flood defence scheme. The scheme includes building earth bunds, concrete walls and floodgates. This project will have a huge impact on protecting hundreds of homes and hundreds of businesses from flooding. If we didn't do this project, we could see a repeat of the 2013 storm surge which closed the railway line between Lewes and Seaford.
We are working on the Dartford East Tunnel hybrid scheme. This project involves essential maintenance on the tunnel and the upgrade of the fire protection system. This project will have a huge impact because it's a critical piece of infrastructure and it keeps the country moving.
We're working on the Badsey Brook Flood Risk Management Scheme. This project involves constructing a flood storage reservoir holding 135,000 cubic metres of water and delivering increased flood protection to 290 properties within the local community. This project will have a huge impact to the local community by delivering increased flood protection to 290 local properties. Without this project in place, you could get a repeat of the severe flooding from 2007 and 2012.
We're building a 2-kilometre relief road around Beccles in Suffolk. This project will have a huge impact on the people of Beccles as it will remove the majority of HGVs currently travelling through the congested town centre, giving them an alternative route to get to Ella Industrial Estate.
We're working on the Swanswell Viaduct refurbishment project in Coventry. This project involves replacing the bridge parapet, resurfacing the carriageway and carrying out essential refurbishment works on an existing and ageing asset. This project will have a significant impact on the city of Coventry as it is based on the ring road, which forms an arterial passageway through the city centre. Although we're causing slight disruption to the area, after the project is finished it's going to free up a lot of traffic and it's going to service thousands of cars on a daily basis.
We're working on the Suffolk Park infrastructure project in Bury St Edmunds. We're constructing 800 metres of link road to enable development of the business park. This project will have a huge impact on the local community as it will open up development for the 35-acre business park. This project will enable development of the 35-acre site and therefore bring jobs and investment to the local area.
We're working on the Rathmore Road improvement scheme. The work involves a new road alignment of Rathmore Road, widening works of some of the existing roads around the town and 3 signalised junctions. The scheme will have a huge impact on the town with improved traffic flows, and with the high-end finish will improve the look of the station area.
Between these projects, we've improved thousands of journeys to work, protected 1,530 properties from flooding, enabled the development of 5,750 homes, relieved congestion around major towns and cities in the UK, enabled the development of a 35-acre business park, and helped to maintain one of the UK's most critical pieces of infrastructure. That's what we mean by impact.